today because it is our annual tradition where the kitchen elves and I get together to make a batch of my delicious Christmas cookies to share with all the elves who've worked so hard this season. Oh, I want you to meet my happy kitchen elves. This is Twyla, Fossy, and Kirby. Now let's get started. Twyla, Fossy, could you open up the pantry there and get the ingredients out? Our pantry's empty. Oh, that can only mean one thing. Someone isn't feeling in the Christmas spirit. Oh, Twyla, is it you? Fossy, is it you?
Sorry, Mrs. C. I'm just not feeling very jolly today.
Oh, my dear Kirby, what's troubling you?
I think I have a case of the meanie greenies.
Oh, well, it's all right. Sometimes there are days when people aren't in the mood for Christmas. Oh, we just have to remember to look for the magic that's right in front of us.
I've been trying, Mrs. C, but sometimes I just feel like so much is going on all at once that we don't get a chance to just enjoy Christmas time.
Oh, I know. Let's make a list of all the things that make Christmas wonderful.
A list! But then we have to check it twice. That's another thing to do.
Oh, well, everyone, it's all right. I mean, we are in a kitchen, so maybe it's more of an ingredients list. Oh, you can't have a good recipe for something without first knowing the ingredients. Now, what recipe would warm your Christmas spirit? When you think of Christmas, what makes it special?
Well, you mentioned recipes, so I guess holiday treats.
And we are here today to make a batch of my delicious Christmas cookies.
And maybe music?
Oh, absolutely. Nothing puts me more in the spirit than joyous bells and wonderful Christmas carols.
Goodwill. People doing things for one another and sharing kindness.
A most noble ingredient.
And
Kirby, I think you're missing a little Christmas magic and surprise.
Right, surprises are the best.
Now, we have our ingredients. Food, music, goodwill, and magic. So let's put these together and make the recipe for Christmas spirit. First are the treats. We need to get these cookies started. All right, the ingredients. I have an idea. Oh, hello, everyone. We could use your help. Why don't you shout out your favorite holiday treats or food traditions, and we'll find the right words to use to make the missing ingredients appear. Oh, go on, shout out your treats.
Hot cocoa.
Hot chocolate chip.
I'm with you on hot cocoa for sure.
Candy canes.
Gingerbread
Canes, absolutely.
Oh, keep shouting them out, dear.
I've got you covered, Mrs. C.
Gingerbread.
Keep coming, everybody. Confetti cake, absolutely. One of the most fun types of cake, for sure. Gingerbread and candy canes, absolutely. Do we prefer gingerbread like the house or like the people? What do you think? All of them. That's an excellent answer.
Chocolate chips!
Chocolate chips, absolutely. Anything else we're missing? Hot chocolate
Candy
with
cane.
some marshmallows, absolutely. What about like pumpkin pie, apple cider?
Those are all wonderful treats. Come back to the pantry. Let's put a few treats together. Why don't we all say on the count of 3, fruit cakes and sugar cookies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fruit cakes and sugar cookies. Holiday magic is handy, especially in the kitchen. Now let's get baking.
Well, that certainly made Christmas bells ring in my little elf heart.
Wonderful. Twyla, Fossy, could you get the ingredients out? We need to get these cookies into the oven.
Mrs. C, what if my meanie greenies don't make the cookies come out right?
Oh, well, I guess we'll have to move on down that list of yours to the next ingredient, music.
Yeah, I guess we could all sing something.
That is why some elves are in the choir and some are in the kitchen. But let's try it my way, dears. Kirby, could you fetch me a cookie tray? Fossy, a mixing bowl, and Twyla, that bucket of spoons? We're going to need some instruments. Now, Twyla, these utensils will make some fun tones. Give it a twirl. Ooh, yes. Fossy, I need you to flip your bowl over and hit it in the middle when I point to you. Excellent. And Kirby, that tray is going to make a wonderful sound. Ooh. When it's your turn, Kirby. Oh, and the rest of you, we'll let you know. It's a clap along. Ooh, are we ready? All right. Hit it. True, but sometimes those intangibles make the greatest gifts of all.
Intangibles?
Yes. You might not be able to see it, but you can feel it. Oh, intangible means something that may be there. You might not be able to see it or touch it. Even still, it exists. But it is Christmas, and I am a Claus, so maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to make these moments of goodwill appear as sparks of light. Oh, let's dim the lights a little so we feel all cozy and won't miss them. And then maybe we'll gift wrap them up and give them to Kirby. Oh. Now, dear friends, what's something kind you can give that you don't have to buy? Well, I'll give you a hint. If you open your arms really wide and wrap them around someone you know, go on, try. What is that called? A hug, yes. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Hugs make excellent acts of goodwill. Let's put this in our bag. Oh, what else?
Smiles?
Ooh, everyone turn to someone around you and share a smile. Oh, beautiful.
What about kind words?
Oh, yes. Everyone turn to your loved ones and say, I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad you're here.
Lovely. What else, Kirby?
Doing a favor for someone.
Oh, yes. Keep them coming. Thank you, Fossy. Do you two mind helping me collect these sparks of light and put them in the bag?
Cleaning up a room without being told. Spending time with someone who needs it. Donating to those in need. Sharing the joy. Picking up some litter. Giving someone an encouraging note. Actively listening. Choosing to be kind. Oh my goodness, that gift bag is about to overflow, just like my heart, with all of these wonderful things. I can feel my meanie greenies fading away.
Well, Merry Christmas, Kirby.
Thank you, Mrs. C. But I don't think this gift should be for me alone. No, goodwill should be shared with everyone.
Oh, Kirby, how wonderful of you to share your gift. That is an excellent act of goodwill. And it leads us to our last ingredient, magical surprises. So let's add the magic. What's one thing that makes it feel like Christmas is almost here? Well, yes, but also snow.
Oh, right. But Mrs. Claus, we're indoors.
If we can make acts of goodwill appear as sparks of light, surely I can handle a little snow. Oh, I know. Let's do the North Pole snow step.
Of course! On the rare occasion that snow isn't already falling and making everything beautiful in the North Pole, we elves get together to do the snow step to make it snow. Twyla, Flossie, let's do this.
All right, you three, are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. And blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
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 Slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. And snowball arms. Snowball arms. Snowball arms and snowball arms.
Oh no, I don't get it. Where's the snow?
Kirby, I do think you're going to need more help with this. There surely are a lot more elves at the North Pole.
Right. Oh, right! Hey there, everybody! It looks like we're going to need all of your help to make it snow today. So, go ahead, stand on up if you're able, and I will teach you how to do the snow step. We're gonna need a lot of power, and it's only 4 simple moves, okay? I believe in you. You've got this. All right. First, we make some clouds. Then we blizzard bounce, and you all get to say, I'm so cold. Let's practice. Blizzard bounce. I'm so cold. Yes. Then we ski the slopes. And then we have snowball arms.
Oh, looking
Amazing. It looks like we're ready to give it a try. Here we go. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
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 Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Snowball arms. Snowball arms. Snowball arms and snowball arms.
One more time, double time. Make some clouds, make some clouds, make some clouds, make some clouds. Blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
Blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
Ski, 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 and snowball arms, snowball arms, snowball arms, snowball arms.
This is me. This is me. You did it. It is snowing.
Oh, we all did it. Oh, well done, everyone. And Kirby, we finished your recipe for Christmas spirit. How are you feeling?
I feel Santa-rific. I went from the meanie greenies to the holly jollies. Oh no, everybody stay calm. We forgot to make the Christmas cookies.
Thank you. Kirby, be a dear and open up the oven. We wouldn't want our cookies to burn.
Our cookies? But how? Cookies! But we never saw you make them.
Oh, Kirby, you don't see Santa in your house either. But on Christmas morning, under the tree, there are presents. We Clauses have our little surprises.
Mrs. C, you really had all of the ingredients for warm Christmas spirit. Food and music, goodwill, and a little Christmas magic.
Well, let's gift wrap this up with a little Christmas spirit cookie dance.